Ovulation is an important part of the menstrual cycle, and understanding it can help with planning a pregnancy or avoiding one. Some people experience mild pelvic or abdominal pain during ovulation, known as mittelschmerz. It's a twinge or cramp, usually on one side, depending on which ovary is releasing the egg. Another sign is breast tenderness or sensitivity, which is caused by hormonal fluctuations, especially higher estrogen levels during ovulation. Tracking your basal body temperature can also be helpful. After ovulation, your temperature rises slightly due to an increase in the hormone progesterone. Make sure to check it first thing in the morning for the most accurate reading. Next, you might notice an increase in libido. Hormonal changes during ovulation often boost sexual drive. It's your body's natural way of encouraging reproduction. Some individuals experience light spotting or discharge during ovulation. This can happen when the follicle releases the egg. Around ovulation, your cervical mucus becomes clear, stretchy, and slippery, kind of like raw egg whites. This change helps sperm move more easily and survive longer. If you're tracking your cycle, these signs, combined with tools like ovulation predictor kits, can be incredibly helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips.